Lagrange's formula for interpolation and inverse interpolation. So this is for unequal intervals. Let y equals f of x be an unknown function. Then let x0, x1, x2, x3 be a set of points which are not necessarily at equal intervals. Means they are at unequal intervals, and the corresponding values of an unknown function y equals f of x be y0, y1, y2, y3. So here I am taking only 4 points. In some of the textbook they have mentioned n points. Now Lagrange's interpolation formula. So for 4 points, to find the value of y for given value of x. So using Lagrange's interpolation formula, we can find the value of y for any given value of x. So now the formula is y equals f of x, x minus x1. So in the numerator, in the first term in the numerator, we have to exclude x0. So x minus x1, then x minus x2, then x minus x3 into y0 by, so x0 is excluded here. In the denominator, in the place of x, take x0. So we have x0 minus x1, then x0 minus x2, then x0 minus x3. So similarly, in the second term, exclude x1. So the second term is x minus x0, then x minus, instead of x1 take x2, x minus x2 into x minus x3. So x1 is excluded in the numerator. In the denominator, in place of x take x1. So x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, then x1 minus x3 into y1. So now third term, in the third term exclude x2. So in the numerator we get x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus, it is not x2, it is x minus x3. So x2 is excluded here. Now in the denominator, in place of x take x2. So x2 minus x0, then x2 minus x1, then x2 minus x3 into y2, plus in the fourth term exclude x3. So in the numerator we get x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2. So x3 is excluded. In the denominator, in place of x take x3. So x3 minus x0, then x3 minus x1, then x3 minus x2 into y3. Then Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula. So here we can find the value of x for given value of y. So in Lagrange's interpolation formula, we have to replace x by y and y by x. So now in Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula, we can find the value of x for any given value of y. So the formula is, so x equals f of y. In Lagrange's interpolation formula, it is y equals f of x. X is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. In Lagrange's interpolation formula, x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. And in Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula, y is the independent variable, x is the dependent variable. So now here the formula is, in the numerator exclude y0. So y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y3. So in the denominator, in place of y take y0. So y0 minus y1, y0 minus y2, y0 minus y3 multiply x0 plus second term. So exclude y1. In the numerator we have to exclude y1. So y minus y0, y minus y1, sorry, y minus y0, we have to exclude y1. So instead of y minus y1, take y2 into y minus y3. So now in the denominator, in place of y, take y1. So y1 minus y0 into y1 minus y2 into y1 minus y3 into x1. Now third term we have to exclude y2. So y minus y0, y minus y1, then y minus, it is not y2, we have to exclude y2, so it is y minus y3 divided by, in the denominator in place of y take y2. So we get y2 minus y0 into y2 minus y1 into y2 minus y3 into x2 plus, in the last term exclude y3. So we get y minus y0 into y minus y1 into y minus y2 by, so y3 is excluded in the denominator, in place of y take y3. So y3 minus y0 into y3 minus y1 into y3 minus y2 into x3. Now let us solve the problem on Lagrange's interpolation formula. Given u0 equals 707, u2 equals 819, u3 equals 866 and u6 equals 966. Compute u4 using Lagrange's interpolation formula. So here u0 equals 707 means x0 equals 0, y0 equals 707, u2 equals 819 means x1 equals 2, y1 is 819, u3 equals 866 means x2 equals 3, y2 equals 866, and u6 equals 966 means x3 equals 6 and y3 equals 966. So here if you observe the values of x, that is x0, x1, x2, x3, they are not at equal intervals, so they are at unequal intervals. So now we have to find u4. So u4 means when x equals 4 we have to find y value, so we have to apply Lagrange's interpolation formula. So using Lagrange's interpolation formula we can find the value of y for any given value of x. So we know how to write the Lagrange's interpolation formula. So for 4 points, 4 values are given here, so we know how to write the Lagrange's interpolation formula for 4 values. So first write on the formula, then substitute the values. So put x equals 4 here in the formula, x equals 4. So we have y equals f of 4, which is equal to, now substitute all the values, 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 6 by 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 minus 6 into y0, that is 707, plus 4 minus 0 into 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 6 by 2 minus 0, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 6 into y1, 819, plus 4 minus 0, 4 minus 0 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 6 by 3 minus 0 into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 into y2. Y2 value is 866 plus the last term 4 minus 0 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 by x3. x3 is 6 minus 0, 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 3 into y3. y3 is 966. Now simplify each term separately. So 4 minus 2 is 2 into 1 into minus 2 into minus 2 into 707 by 3 into 0 minus 2 is minus 2, then minus 3 into minus 6. Now simplify the second term. Second term is 4 into 1 into minus 2 by 2 minus 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 minus 6 minus 4 into 819 plus third term 4 into 2 into minus 2 by 3 minus 0, 3 into 1 into minus 3 into 866 plus 4 into 2 into 1 by 6 into 4 into 3 into 966. So this is equal to, simplifying further, so we get from the first term we get 78.5555 minus 819 second term, third term 1539.5555 plus fourth term 107.333. So now adding all the values we get 906.444. So this is approximately equal to 906. So this is the value of y equals f of 4.